Today is February 1st. The dust from the January 26th gateway has settled, and the blueprint of 2026 is now visible. For 150 years, we drifted in the nebulous waters of Pisces, but today, we stand in the raw fire of Aries. This is not a temporary change. This is a total reconstruction of human reality. While the world looks for leaders in the old system, the cosmos has already selected 4 signs to act as the primary architects of this new 15-year era. If you belong to these signs, your training period is officially over. Your reign begins now. First, Aries. You are the spark. With Neptune in your first house, you are no longer just a warrior. You are a visionary leader. Your ideas will set the tone for the 2026 architecture. Second, Cancer. You are the emotional anchor. As the old world structures collapse, your ability to build new, frequency-aligned communities will be the gold standard. Third, Libra. You are the voice of the new justice. You will balance the aggressive Aries fire with the harmony required to keep the new world from burning. Fourth, Capricorn. You are the master builder. While others panic at the Great Split, you will be the one designing the new physical foundations that will last for a century. But remember, the clock is ticking. These 16 days leading up to the February 17th solar eclipse are your final window to claim your position. On the 17th, the seal is placed. The architecture becomes permanent. If you are ready to stop being a spectator and start being an architect of 2026, type your sign and the words, "I accept the crown," in the comments. The fire has been lit. It is time to build.